John here, and in this section we're going to be covering about email marketing, and particularly we're going to be covering here types of email sequences. Now there's two kinds of email sequences, triggered and broadcast. And so triggered is anything that happens automatically when something else has triggered it. So for example, someone signs up for your lead magnet and you send them an email about your lead magnet. That kind of thing is a triggered email, and we're going to types in a minute. And then there's broadcast, and that's ones that you send out. That could be out to the whole list, or it could be out to a portion of your list, but you're doing it manually at a specific time. And so, for example, there's like newsletters and that kind of thing. So we'll go through more details, specific kinds. Now, triggered, there's a number of different kinds here. Transactional ones, so this is stuff like lead magnet delivery, like I just mentioned. Referral requests, this could be something that goes out straight after somebody's just had a good experience, they straight away get a referral request. Purchase receipt, you've just bought something, you get the receipt for it. That kind of thing is transactional emails. Indoctrination or welcome emails, this is a sequence that goes out when someone's just signed up or very early on, just to tell them about what your brand is like and what they're going to be getting from you. Segmentation is where you're sending out emails in order to see who's interested in a particular topic, and then you only send follow-up emails to people who have been tagged as being interested in that topic by opening and clicking on their email. Engagement, this is a lot of the kind of emails I see sent out from people that are about just providing useful, interesting content in order to engage someone in the topic and get them to build up trust with you. Consumption is a kind of sequence you send out when someone's just bought something or they've signed up for a free challenge or what have you. You want to make sure they get the most out of it, so you send out some emails about the thing they've just bought. And that, if you're doing a challenge or an email course, could be like a number of emails over the course of a week or two. But if someone's just bought a course from you that doesn't, like it's not inherently email based, you still can send out a series of emails just to make sure they're actually getting the most out of that course, because then they're going to get more value from it. It's better for them. Long term, they're going to be a more loyal customer because they got more value, they're more likely to buy something else. An upsell sequence is where someone's bought one thing and there is a more premium version or there's something else that goes with it that you want to let them know about. Cart abandonment is obviously if somebody has added something to their cart but then they didn't finish checking out and you've got their email, you know who they are. And then re-engagement is for people who have not opened emails in quite a long time, and the whole point of it is just to re-engage them, and if that doesn't work, you'll just take them off the list. So that's types of triggered emails. And then types of broadcast emails is promotions, newsletters, and segmentation. Just realized there's one missing on here, very important one, which is promotion. So yeah, promotions are pretty simple. When you actually got something to tell people about that they could go and buy. A newsletter, just a regular weekly or monthly one. And then segmentation. Sometimes you send out a segmentation email broadcast, and then the promotion only goes to the people who actually showed their interest in it, and that promotion is triggered. So that's sometimes how they work together.